This is Rick, and I thought I would take out a minute of my time today to do a review on a product that I really like. This is a solder that I want to do the review on. This is that color mat solder from Rio, and I tell you what, I really like it. I really like it. It's been good in any situation. As you can see, I'll go ahead and cut a piece off of this. You get 235 feet of this solder for 27 bucks. You know? So that's a great deal. Of course, you can get a couple of manageable pieces, kind of straighten them out a little bit. Okay, what I thought we would use is, I've got this snowflake obsidian I did a while back. It's just a simple cab, but it'll fit nicely on all three of these. Okay. Now what you want to do now that you got your spot, you want to mark it. Mark it. There it goes. Okay. And just open it enough where you can get your flush cutters up here to it. And I usually cut right on the line. Now, I know the flush cutter is supposed to cut it flush, but I still like to go over it with a file. Now, like I say, this solder doesn't require any flux, but me just being old school, I like to dab just a hair of it on there. There we go. We want the less metal touching those pliers if possible. It'll just heat up faster. Alright, what we want to do is go ahead and heat up our metal. I have my solder ready here. And heat it evenly. Alright, once she started to glow here, it's going to kind of fan the flame as you... And what I like to do is come here underneath it, and it'll suck that solder right down in that seam. And that's a good seam. Alright, let's go ahead and put this back on the stone, and we're going to go ahead and check our fit again. Say just go around it. This rubber mat is really nice for okay, now your stone should fall right through there just like that. And look at it from the bottom, really good fit. But we got to get these edges flush, because remember, solder don't fill gaps. So we want to make this all flush. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do that. Sander belt. Okay, and what I do here is this. You want to hold both ends. I usually go around in circles. They say you're supposed to go in a figure eight. Now see that there? It's all shiny. It's all flat. That means you are there. But since we did this side, we might as well do... Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Now see that right there? See, there's a spot right there that's low. So we want to make it all the same. Okay, that's great. That's perfect. So both sides are squared up. Alright, now we're ready to put our bezel on our backing piece. Okay. And like I say, let's check our fit again. Always check your fit, check your fit, check your fit. Yep. Yep. That's real good there. I can't emphasize enough. Always check your fit. Alright, that looks pretty good there. First thing I like to do is I like to go around and get my block heated up here. And what that's going to do, that's going to get this backing piece up the temperature. Just maybe kind of fan across it a couple times. Basically keep your flame off the center. If you want to heat up the center, back off on the torch a little bit. You know, just back off of it. Don't get it so close. Now down here I'm getting a little close because what I'm doing is I'm looking for that orange glow. I'm already getting it on my bezel. But I don't want that too much because, alright, and I think we're up to temperature. Now what I do is I come right here see that? Kind of use your solder here to keep your flame out towards the edge, not really on the piece. And you can take that sucker right on around. There you go. Remember, you want to concentrate the heat and then come back over it. And see, you see that nice bead of solder that's showing up on the inside? That means it is solid all the way through. Okay? Alright, now we'll take it and drop it in the pickle.